Hello friends, welcome to iExamB's Law Channel Legal B. In this video, I am going to talk about the SEBI Grade A 2023 exam. What should be your target score in Phase 2, both in Paper 1 and Paper 2? What should be the safe score which ensures 100% selection in SEBI 2023 exam? We are expecting SEBI exam on a similar pattern, on a similar trend of 2022 exam, just like it happened in 2022 in the months of January, February, March. So we are expecting SEBI Legal 2023 exam to be conducted in the first quarter of 2023 itself. Now, why I'm only talking about phase 2 and not the phase 1? Because phase 1 is relatively easy to crack. Phase 1 of SEBI legal exam is merit based. There are two papers. Paper 1 is your QRE and GA, in which you have 80 questions, each question of 1.25 marks, making a total of 100 marks. There is no sectional cutoff and you have to score minimum of 30 marks. The cutoff is 30%. In your paper 2 in legal, you will have 50 questions. Each question will be of 2 marks, total 100 marks, and the minimum cutoff is 40%. That means you need 40 marks. And the overall aggregate cutoff is 40% out of 200. That means 80 marks. So these 30 plus 40 will form 70. Only 10 more marks either in paper 1 and paper 2 and you will clear the phase 1. The level of the exam is also relatively moderate level, easy to moderate, so it's not that much difficult to clear the phase 1. The real competition starts for phase 2. In phase 2 you have to clear the cutoff, you have to score very good marks to get into the interview list and also to get into the final merit list. In phase 2, there are two papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English, having 100 marks and a weightage of 1/3. Paper 2 is again law, MCQ types, multiple choice questions on legal area. There will be 50 questions of 100 marks and the weightage is 2/3. I have explained these in detail in my earlier two videos. One of the video was on cutoff of both the phase 2 and the final cutoff after the interview. And in my other video, I have compared the scorecards, the mark sheet of All India Rank 1 and All India Rank 10 holder in SEBI Legal 2022 exam. And using those mark sheets, I have tried to explain how there is only a slight difference in the marks and what should be the range within which you should target your score. In 2020, for unreserved category, phase 2 cutoff was 68.33. And in 2022 it was 67.67. This was the overall cutoff and I have already compared the mark sheets of rank 1 and rank 10. Refer to my previous video. Overall mark sheet has also been compared in that video. Also please note, in the phase 2 in paper 1 there is a minimum cutoff also. In paper 1 your minimum marks should be 30%, that is 30 marks, and in paper 2 it should be 40%, that is 40 marks. So if we scored below 30 in paper 1 and below 40 in paper 2, we will automatically fail in this exam. A minimum is given, but you have to score very high marks. Let's start with the minimum score in descriptive English, that is 30 marks. If you score 30 marks in descriptive English, by weightage of 1/3, it will become equal to 10 marks. Now, if you score 60 marks in law paper, by the weightage criteria, it will be equivalent to 40. Your 10 plus 40 will become equal to 50. The cutoff was 68.33 and 67.67 in the respective years. You could not clear the cutoff. If you score 70 marks, it will become equal to 46.67. Your total will be 56.67. Again, you have not cleared the cutoff. If you score 80 marks by 2/3 weightage, your marks will be equal to 53.33 and your total score will be 63.33. Again, you could not clear the cutoff. And if you score 90 marks, then your law paper marks by 2/3 weightage will be 60 and you have scored a total of 10 plus 60, 70 marks, and then you have cleared the cutoff of both the years. So you have to score somewhere near 87, 88 marks, and to be exact, to be precise, 86.5 marks for last year cutoff of 67.67. I hope this calculation has given you a clear idea that if you score 30 marks in descriptive English, then how much more you should be prepared for your paper 2, that is law paper. Now, if you score 40 marks in descriptive English, then by weightage that will become equal to 13.33. Now we will again take different mark scenario in paper 2. If you score 60 marks in law paper, that will again be equal to 40 marks and your total will be 53.33. If you score 70 marks in law paper, that will be equal to 46.67 and your total will be 60 marks. If you score 80 marks in law paper, it will become equal to 53.33 and your total will become equal to 66.67, a slight difference from the last year cutoff. Now, if you score 90 marks by 2/3 weightage, your marks in law paper will be 60 and your total will become equal to 73.33. Going by the precise calculation, you will need marks between 80 and 90 and to be precise 81.5 to clear 2022 cutoff of 67.67. So here again you can see you need marks between the range of 80s to 90 if you score 40 marks in descriptive English. Taking another scenario, if in descriptive English you scored 50 marks, then by 1/3 criteria it will become 16.67. In law paper, if you score 60 marks, that will be equivalent to 40 by 2/3 weightage and your total will become equal to 56.67. If you score 70, then it will become 46.67 and your total will be 63.33. And if you score 80 marks, your weighted marks will become equal to 53.33 and your total marks will become equal to 70, much higher than the marks of the previous 2-year cutoffs. So you can see the safe score lies somewhere near to 80, to be precise around 76.5 marks for the 2022 cutoff. If you have looked at the score sheets of rank 1 and rank 10 holder, you will see that in descriptive English, they scored average marks of 56 to or 55 in the range of 50 to 60, and usually descriptive English marks lie in this range only. There are very few students who get marks in the range of 60 to 70 and hardly any student gets marks above 70. So you need to score very good marks in paper 2 in your law paper. Thus, keeping that in mind, you can see in descriptive English, you need average marks in the range of 55 to 65 and you need to score good marks in your law paper, clearly around 80, and that will be a safe score for your 100% selection. Before moving forward, I like to give you an important news. In this dynamic environment with the increasing prices everywhere, iXambi is also soon going to increase the prices from 1st of September. We are having a price hike on all our online courses from 1st of September. If you are interested in SEBI legal course, you want to prepare under our guidance, then this is the best time to enroll in this course before the price hike and also avail good discounts. I'll tell you about a very good offer that is going to come soon for a limited period of time. Also, from 1st of September, we are starting a new SEBI legal batch. We will be following 100 days study plan, 100 days class schedule in which we will cover the syllabus for entire SEBI legal exam. Thus, following this class schedule, by the end of December, you will be able to cover all your topics. You will be able to complete your syllabus and have sufficient time in your hand to revise. This 100-day study plan will be starting from 1st of September itself. You will have your intro class on 1st of September and the classes will start soon afterwards from the first week of September. If you are interested, reach out to us before the price hike. Join this course and make the best use of the classes to prepare for SEBI legal exam. And the bumper offer I was telling you about. Today we are running a flash sale from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and we are offering 55% off on all our online courses before the price hike. Hurry up, this is a very limited period offer. Moving forward, continuing with our analysis, Suppose in the descriptive English you score 60 marks, then by 1/3 weightage it will become equal to 20 marks. In the law paper now, if you score 60 marks, by 2/3 weightage this becomes 40 marks and your total will become 60 marks. If you score 70 marks in your law paper, then by 2/3 weightage this will be 46.67 and your score will be 66.67, slightly low than the cutoffs. If you score 80 marks, then your weighted score in law paper will be 53.33 and your total phase 2 score will be 73.33. So here you get more leverage. To be precise, if you score 71.5 marks in your law paper, you will reach the 2022 cutoff. So you can see a score of 50 to 60 in descriptive English and a range of 70 to 80 marks in your law paper is good enough, is safe to secure your name in the final merit list. Subscribe to our Legal Bee channel to stay tuned with such videos, with such information. Legal Bee is your one-stop solution for all legal exams. And I'm again mentioning we have a flash sale coming soon from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Flat 55% off on all online courses before the price hike. For any queries, you can write to us at hello@iexambee.com. You can call us on this number mentioned on the screen. Thank you.